Good day to everyone. I'm Farhan, and today I will be presenting my project proposal on sustainable construction of prefab building. Buildings are essentially constructed building components that are manufactured in one location and then assembled in a desired plot, with evidence providing better financially feasibility and a 115.38% waste reduction capability of prefab homes. Its application is highly lucrative, actually, considering American citizens reaching over 94 million are currently unable to afford housing. Prefab appears to be a sustainable future. Coming to the next slide, this is important. This project mainly has one objective that can be divided into multiple subsections. The objective is to deliver a prefabricated housing project outline that has functionally, circulatory, aesthetically pleasing elements, and finally, a highly profitable model of our clients. Naturally, the deliverables of this project are a few specific factors. The prefab housing model, followed by a clear report outlining the exact project processing, is the two of the most important deliverables. However, a detail of the early target democratic for marketing as well as financially and sustainable proficiencies are the supporting deliverables of this project. Coming to the sustainability goals, the sustainability goals of the project are divided into financially profitability, circulatory in the construction and the livelihoods of the customer, and finally social engagement through local sourcing, manufacturing, manufacturing and community serving. This is emboldened by the target demographic of low and middle income segments of the US, offering them a cost effective and equitable solution to housing. Taking a look on the initiation phase, the decision making nodes highlighted with the traffic signal focus on resource price, competitiveness, evidence suggesting sustainable asymmetry within suppliers reflects higher dynamic performance means that better supplier price competitiveness and similar asymmetries may introduce higher opportunities for cost optimization. However, this does not end here. As the planning stage moves to the environmental considerations, sign circulation, circular features, and their subsequent implication on economic as well as social and environmental viability are paramount. Integrating functional considerations on whether the project succeeds in fulfilling these circular features means its net contribution to waste emission and environmental damage remains low, especially since social, environmental, and financial responsibilities have been found to have a greater impact on construction project performance in the international market. This strategy appears sound. Um, Coming to the process map, like explanation on execution. The execution stage conforms the feasibility of the product. Financially factors, considering the evidence suggest micromanagement is misplaced, manufacturing settings reduces efficiency, decision making, notes are reduced, sustainability to focus on design, approval, and quality test. Um, Coming to the stakeholders, engagement is the immediate priority in the monitoring phase. Environmental, social, and financial parameters are delegated to responsible and interested stakeholders, which remains a key approach in the phase. Clients confirm the financial feasibility of the product, and tangible sustainability output through the circular model appears within a acceptable range. The product can serve community engagement purpose with installation to the target democratic. The project closure conforms to the handover of the project along with the reiteration of the ESF benefits before the lesson learned through the project can be reintegrated for future use cases. Coming to the summary, this brings us to the end of the proposal. Our discussion so far has shed light on the need of the equitable housing in the American population while also showcasing how the prefabricated housing project addresses key environmental, social, and financial dynamics. The philosophy of integrating key sustainable measures can therefore be considered a key championing strategy for future application. This has been my brief commentary on the project proposal. And coming to the references, the references being mentioned as Eero, CB, and GIMO LB 2021, a micromanagement and job performance of employee in manufacturing industry in Ogun State, Nigeria. International Journal of Women in Technical Education and Employment, IJOWITED. The Federal Polytechnic, Elaro, Chapter 2, PP16. And another reference is Leo PC, Singan G, and Liang LW 2016, Development of Social Responsibility, Evaluation Framework of Construction Projects, a multi-stakeholder prospective procedure, Engineering 145 PP 234 to 241. So these are the examples and the references that have been mentioned in this. And thank you so much for that.